Guys, welcome back. I'm actually shooting this video on the same day as fitting the spoiler, but this actually does deserve its own video. So these gas struts are absolutely shot. They don't hold the boot up, and when it's really cold, the boot still wants to drop on my head. So what I've done, there's a guy on Instagram, I saw one of his posts, I think it was Honda FN2. I'll put a little picture into his profile now. Yeah, he came up with a good idea. I don't think it was his idea. I think he got it off Civic info forum. Fitting Mercedes ML boot struts. They're exactly the same. They're just 2mm or 3mm longer. They're half the price, so it just shows that the Honda stuff is more expensive. But these come from a company that make these, so let's get these unpacked and let's get them fitted. Video before. You can see that this doesn't want to hold anything. As you can see, these are leaking. These have got a little metal thing on, so if you can pull that out, this will pop that out a lot easier. Okay, and it's as easy as that. There's the new one. Let's just compare the new versus the old. As you can see, that's the old one, that's the new one. They're actually exactly the same length. And literally, all I did was just give that a little sharp hit there. That just pops it off of that little ball joint. And then you do the same up here. You can actually just put a little tool in here to prise this off. Whoa, what's going on with that? There we go, to prise that off. So let's just do the other side quick. Okay, they're both fitted now, so let's just do a quick lift up. Before you remember, the boot wouldn't hold itself, so literally now, if you just press the button, there you go. She lifts up all on her own. Go straight up there. Superb. Just a quick video, guys. You can fit Mercedes ML struts to your car and they work perfectly. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next one.